Do-It-Yourself Dell. In this segment we're going to be talking about our sponge floor. And I can't say enough about it. This is what the pieces look like. They're about that thick, and they have the interlocking connections there. This is what the package looks like that they come in. Purchased from a popular grocery chain that sells temporary items, so this was one of their temporary items. So the price was relatively inexpensive, and it's extremely inexpensive compared to what a regular floor costs. These items are extremely easy to install. There's again the price point, and we're going to show you right now how they clean up. Do-It-Yourself Dell, continuing with our subject matter of the foam floors. I want to include that there's not many bad points about this, but there is one, that this is installed in a utility room, and we have another one in the bathroom, and should there be any sort of little emergency that involves water and it gets under the floor, you might have to retract your pieces and let it air out and dry out. And we've had experience with that, unfortunately, because otherwise it'll just stay moist. That's the downside of this, but the expense and the ease of installation and the quickness of installation, the minimal amount of tools that you need, maybe an X-Acto knife or probably a box cutter, a scissors, all those things work. You don't really need to have any real extravagant or fancy or tools that are just designed for one purpose. A multi-purpose tool would be just fine for this. They look nice. They stay together with the interlocking part of it, and they also have these little extra parts here. So you're getting, sometimes you want a nice smooth edge when you're against a wall. You can have that, and you don't have to worry about these jagged edges. That they could do their job by interlocking with the other pieces in the middle of the floor, not at the edge. So that's an option you have. You can take them off if you don't. If you need them, they're there. And these come in different colors. This down here is a black, and in the bathroom we use this green. And again, out of all the things, I know I've said this before, but I really mean it this time, out of all the things that we've tried to show you and give you the pros and the cons and see if you might like it or not, I think this is right at the top of the list. It just is so easy. It looks nice. I don't know how long they're going to last, but so far for months now, they've been doing what they're supposed to do. They're just a nice floor. You see how easy they are to clean up, and if you get sick of it, just take it up, and you know, you could resume what you had to begin with, or go with something else. But if this is not nailed down or double-sided tape or anything, it just goes down, it stays put, and it'll come up. It'll come up right off without too much problem. So Do-It-Yourself Dell. I really recommend this one. Adios, hasta pronto, hasta luego, tanto tiempo por ahora. So long for now. I've been saying escribiente y comenta, which in English means what it sounds like. So we're pleased asking you to do that. That way you can communicate with us so we know we're on the right track. And it's just the way things are done with this type of arrangement. So thank you in advance for any of you who provide us with comments or constructive suggestions or anything of that nature. Thank you.